welcome to Gear Era. Today we are exploring the brand new Ford Puma 26, a car that brings fresh design, advanced technology, and a modern sporty look. So let's begin this full walk around and feature breakdown. Starting with the front design, the Ford Puma 2026 introduces a bold and aggressive face. The continuous LED light strip running from the right headlight to the left gives the car a modern signature look. The redesigned grille adds a premium touch, and the sculpted lines on the hood enhance its sporty character. The front bumper is slightly more aerodynamic, giving better airflow and efficiency. The headlights are full LED with smart illumination technology. During night driving, the lights adjust automatically for improved visibility. The Ford logo sits confidently in the center, and the lower grille design adds a performance-inspired feel. The overall front appearance tells you this car is built for those who want style and technology together. Moving to the side profile, the Ford Puma 26 maintains its compact crossover identity, but with sharper lines. The body design flows smoothly from front to back, giving it a clean, modern stance. The aerodynamic mirrors reduce wind noise, and the wheel design adds a sporty appeal. You can see the powerful fenders giving the Puma a wider, more planted look. The side body curves are refined to improve efficiency. The roofline gently slopes towards the rear, giving it a semi-coupe style. The stance feels agile, making it perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. Now looking at the rear, the Ford Puma 2026 features brand new LED taillights with a unique pattern that complements the front design. The rear bumper is cleaner, more modern, and gives the car a solid, bold look. The roof spoiler adds a sporty visual touch and improves aerodynamics. The rear light bar glows beautifully at night, matching the front LED strip. The tailgate has a smooth premium finishing, and the Ford badge stands out in the center. The dual-tone bumper and chrome elements complete the athletic appearance of the rear. From the front left angle, the Ford Puma 2026 reveals its dynamic proportions. The LED headlights, the sporty grille, and the sculpted body lines all combine perfectly in this view. This angle highlights the vehicle's strong stance and premium character. You can also appreciate how the aerodynamic design flows from the windshield to the side mirrors and along the body. Everything is shaped to reduce drag and enhance performance. This angle also shows how the continuous light bar defines the modern identity of the 2026 Puma. Shifting to the front right angle, the car displays a balance of sportiness and elegance. The bold front end blends smoothly with the sharp side profile. The wheels and shoulder lines become more prominent from this viewpoint. You can see the precise detailing around the headlights and bumper. Ford is focused on refining every small element to make the Puma stand out in its segment. This angle shows the full character of the new design evolution. Now let's step inside. The Ford Puma 2026 interior is designed to offer comfort, technology, and a premium feel. The dashboard features a wide digital display, offering smooth graphics and customizable driving information. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with modern controls. The seats provide excellent support, making long drives comfortable. Ambient lighting adds a soft, stylish glow at night. The center console is clean and practical, offering wireless charging, large cup holders, and smart storage spaces. The infotainment system features Ford's new generation touchscreen with fast response and crystal-clear visuals. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. The advanced climate control system ensures comfort for both driver and passengers. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 2026 Puma has improved insulation materials, reducing cabin noise for a quieter, more relaxed drive. Overall, the Ford Puma 26 brings a refined exterior, improved aerodynamics, advanced interior technology, and a sporty personality. Whether you drive in the city or on long trips, the car offers a blend of comfort and agility. Thank you for watching this full review. If you love detailed car reviews and high-quality automotive content, make sure you stay connected with Gear Era, your trusted place for the best automotive insights. See you in the next video.